here. Just shaved my head. Pulled up to Rob's place here at Street Machines in Terrell, Texas. Gonna see what he's got going on today. You might remember in my previous video he had primed an 81 Corvette. Hello! And he's still on it. It's red.
Yep. Not gray or yellow no more. It's just coming together.
It's looking flashy.
Ready
Can I
for Sunday.
do a little video here? Is that cool?
Sure.
Since I'm already
Saying
filming.
About 2/3 of the car. Still got the door, hood, fender, nose to go. But pretty much got the back done.
It's not your first color sand on a Vette, that's for sure.
No. Oh, crap.
Oh no.
Yeah.
Working through the grits.
In this one's case, all it got was 2,000 grit and 25, and then a buff with 1 grit of compound.
Like it's got a lot of material on it.
Ah, yeah. I just piled it on.
Base clear
Cut my
urethane.
way back to where I want it to be. So it all looks so fuzzy, but there's plenty of clear there. A gallon and a half on it. That's a lot for a Corvette.
I get laid out pretty slick myself.
Yeah. Biscuit.
It looks like you've
Some of my little pieces up there.
been working your way down here.
Yeah, I started this fender, went that way.
It's got a shine on it. All gutted out.
The jams. Paint the steering column black. Whatever the seats, got all new upholstery put in it. Carpet. And see, I got the glass out of it. Mirrors.
Yep, doors are bare.
You have to pull the windows out of these cars to get the mirrors off.
It's a pain.
And if you don't pull the mirrors off, it just ain't gonna look very good.
So what do we got in the way of parts up here? There's a mirror.
A little this, a little that.
Looks like we got some new interior pieces, rubber.
This is the front air dam here, these two pieces.
Okay.
Visors. That's hood rubber, pillar rubber, rear pillars, there's the doors.
I recognize this. That's a vacuum kit for the headlights.
That is correct. Vacuum for the headlights. I'm replacing all the actuators and everything so the headlights will be working. Interior screw kit, how many of those have we put in?
Oh yeah, handy. We found them in cars. You bought cars that had the parts, and
Yeah.
people tend to not finish their Corvette projects.
That's T-top rubber there.
It's been a pleasure to see this stuff get finished around here.
Yeah, all it takes is a little work. This is outer window swipes. Keeps warm.
Hey, why don't you tell everybody about your little homemade breathing apparatus? I think that's a pretty cool deal.
Well, it really is.
He's got a fresh air ventilation set up when he does his paint jobs, and it's actually cooled.
Okay. Here it is. These hoses here. Show you what that's hooked to on the side. I got air blowing in here under pressure, going to my mask, sealed off one port. So air blowing out of that, so I get positive pressure around my face. No paint gets in, 'cause this stuff will cool. But the neat, and you can buy a system, and it costs you a lot. I built this one for about $60. What's unique about mine that the ones you buy don't do. Come around here, giving away all my trade secrets here. There's this,
Yeah, somebody's gonna copyright it
yeah,
and make a fortune.
cheap $20 Home Depot blow suck shock vac. But now here's the unique part. Okay, it's sucking here, it's blowing there. I took the filter and stuff out. I added this piece of PVC with these holes in it. So there's water in there now. But Sunday when I painted, it's empty. I dump a bag of ice in it, stuff that down in the ice, and the air blowing around my face is cool refrigerated air, kept me cool while I'm working in 85, 90 degree temps in there. And I didn't sweat in my paint, and I was way more comfortable than I would have been with just air blowing in my face. So yeah, that's pretty neat for a under $100 item that'll keep you cool, and you can use it to do just that. Whether you need ventilated air or not, it'll keep you cool if you breathe that nice cool air.
For the budget painters out there.
Yeah, my paint boots made out of styrofoam. Metal studs.
Yeah, sealed up.
AC filters.
I know it gets a thorough cleaning between stages.
I spent 2 days cleaning before I sprayed this bed. Now
Think-
it's filthy again.
Yeah, I start to say things get in a mess in a hurry when you're putting a car together. I see you've been color sanding down on the floor there. Some of the old clear, or the new clear, I should say.
That's what it is.
It's coming together. We'll have to do a part 3 when you get some interior in it.
The burnout video.
Yeah, there you go. We've done a few of those.
Now, a lot of purists might find it sacrilegious, but this Corvette is Viper red. A Chrysler.
Oh man,
That's a great color.
the owner wanted a flashy red.
He told me he wanted the brightest, loudest, flashiest red I could get. That's it.
You said he's putting some alloy wheels on it? That's what you were saying earlier? Changing these wheels out, putting some Corvette alloys?
Yeah.
These are 20s. I'm not really a fan of them. Get you a good look at that interior. It'll be all different before too long. I see it's got some sound deadening, heat shielding.